What if I told you that a brand new YouTube channel, one that started just a few months ago on July 10th, has already pulled in almost 3 million views with only 61 videos? What if I told you that as of today, this simple faceless YouTube channel is on track to generate an estimated $5,875 a month? And what if I told you that today, right now, I'm going to show you exactly how I clone this channel's entire workflow using one groundbreaking AI tool? I know what you're thinking. You've seen these tutorials before, but I promise you, this is different. Today we're diving deep into ElevenLabs Studio 3.0. Now hold on. You're probably thinking, isn't ElevenLabs just for AI voices? Just a text-to-speech tool? Well, stick with me, because with their new update, the studio now supports full video projects, making it a one-stop shop for adding narration, sound, and professional polish to your content. But before we jump in, I need you to watch this entire video, because sprinkled throughout, I'll be revealing a few insider secrets to maximize your chances of making real money with your own faceless channel idea. Details you just won't find anywhere else. Let's get into it. First, let's break down the genius of the channel we're cloning. It's strategically designed to do two things perfectly. One, it helps people with insomnia or sleep difficulties by providing calm, soothing narration about fascinating topics like science and the universe. The content is pure relaxation. The creator even mentions in his channel trailer that he struggled with sleep himself. He saw a problem and smartly created the solution. But that led him to his second brilliant strategy. He's genuinely passionate about these topics. He enjoys creating content that he would want to listen to. He knows his content provides real value because it's packed with interesting facts you can't help but want to hear. This is the demo I created, inspired by his style, and made possible because ElevenLabs sponsored this video. So a huge thank you to them for making this tutorial happen. Check this out.
Hello there, and welcome back to the Dreamy Science channel. I'm so glad you're here tonight. Maybe you've had one of those long, busy days, or maybe your mind just needs something gentle to settle on before sleep. Either way, this is your time. Time to slow down, to let the noise of the day fade and to rest in the soft rhythm of a story. Tonight we're turning our attention to an old companion, one that's been with us since the very beginning. The moon, always there, always watching. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite, and though other planets have many moons, some with dozens, even hundreds, Earth has just the one. And somehow, that feels right. One constant lantern in our sky, steady and familiar. Compared to Earth, the moon is just a fraction of the size, about a quarter as wide. At first that might sound tiny, but it's just enough to tug gently on our oceans, shaping the tides and setting a rhythm that life has followed for millions of years. And while the moon feels close enough to reach out and touch, it actually sits about 384,000 kilometers away. That's far, yes.
Looks and sounds incredible, huh? That entire audio experience, the narration, the music, the sound effects, was all created inside a single tool. And I'm going to show you how. Let's break this down. Alright, let's make this easy. This first part is a simple 3-step process. The first step is creating your script, and wait until you see the third part of this step, because it's a trick I guarantee you haven't seen before. Now, normally you'd have to pay a professional scriptwriter, and for a 2-hour video, that gets expensive, fast. I have massive respect for scriptwriters, but when you're just starting out, that budget just isn't there. So, we're using the free version of ChatGPT. First, we train ChatGPT to be our personal channel assistant with a powerful prompt. This prompt will ask it for key information about the channel we're about to clone. Second, we go to that channel. We copy its public information, the channel description, the titles of the videos, and we feed it all to ChatGPT. Just like that, it starts building a content plan for us. Third, and here's the secret sauce. Open their 3 most viral videos. In the description box, click the 3 dots and hit Show Transcript. Toggle off the timestamps, and boom, you have their entire script. Copy that text into a Google Doc. Then, upload those full scripts to your ChatGPT session. In minutes, you've given the AI all the data it needs to become your professional scriptwriter. Now, just ask it for a new script, long enough for a 2-hour video, and tell it to generate it in a conversational tone without any topic lists. You'll see why that's important in a minute. Okay, step 2 is another quick 3-parter. This is where we create the visual world for our narration. First, we use a prompt in ChatGPT to convert our brand new script into a list of scenes for image generation. Second, we head over to an AI image generator. My weapon of choice right now is Nano Banana. I'm personally using it inside Leonardo AI because I need the images to be clean, without watermarks, and it generates them one after another without a long wait. Of course, you can use whichever of the AI tools you prefer, but with Nano Banana, I've found a dead simple way to replicate image styles for consistent results. I took a screenshot from the original channel, uploaded it as a style reference, and asked it to add a moon to the landscape, since that's a key theme. I fed it all the image prompts from ChatGPT, and just like that, I had all the visuals for the video. And here's a little golden nugget for you. The channel we're cloning repeats its images. It uses a new image every 20 seconds for about 9 minutes, meaning it only needs about 28 unique images. Then the loop starts over. Makes it a lot easier, doesn't it? Third, we turn these images into a video. I use Canva for this because it's free. I just set the duration for each image to 10 seconds for this demo, added a simple brush on exit animation, and set the background to black. For that smooth transition, I added a dissolve at 1.5 seconds between each image. The final touch? I went to the Elements tab, found a video of yellow light particles, and applied a 5% transparency over the top. And that's it for the video style. But wait a minute, aren't we missing something? The video is silent. It's empty. That's where the magic happens. Congratulations for paying attention. We're missing the narration, the music, the sound effects, the soul of the video. And this is where I introduce you to ElevenLabs Studio 3.0. When I first tested this, I was blown away. It saves me the subscription I pay for music, the tool I use for subtitles, and gives me a full studio to create and edit long-form audio. This is perfect for a faceless YouTube channel that relies on 2-hour-plus videos. I can tell you from personal experience that Studio 3.0 is your complete workflow for sound design. It allows you to add voiceovers, publish narrated and captioned productions, and now it even supports video. I seriously invite you to try it for yourself by clicking the link I've left in the description and the pinned comment. But without further ado, let's see how it works. We're going to click on New Video Voiceover. This is where our journey begins. I just uploaded the silent video we made in Canva and hit Create Project. As you can see, the studio supports video formats like MP4 and MOV, setting us up for sound design with the help of AI. I headed back to ChatGPT, copied my script, and pasted it right into the editor. Then, I clicked on the voiceover name. Using the filter, I searched for a voice I already know is popular in this niche. It's called Christopher, a British narrator. I added him to my voices, selected the entire script, and simply clicked Generate. The best part? You can paste your entire 2-hour script here and generate everything with a single click. The result is just amazing. We're using a high-quality voice, a true text-to-speech AI clone from a real human voice actor, and that's why the quality is simply the best in the market right now. But what if there's a typo, or you want to change a word? Instead of re-recording everything, you just select the words you want to change, type the correction, and regenerate that tiny piece. For example, the script has the name of the channel we're cloning, but we'll change it to our own channel's name. Voila! It's a massive time saver. Okay, the voiceover sounds perfect. Now, I want to add a sound effect. If you've seen my other tutorials, you'll know these relaxing videos often have a crackling fire sound in the background. It creates a cozy, sitting under the stars vibe. So, I click this SFX button right here. It gives you the option to use their library of free sound effects or, and this is incredible, create your own with AI. I typed my prompt into the box, crackling campfire. I turned on the infinite loop option so the fire never goes out, and it gave me 4 options to choose from. This first one was perfect. I just lowered the volume to about 35% to sit nicely in the background, and then hit Ctrl+D to duplicate the sound across the entire timeline. In a matter of minutes, our video is already coming to life without spending a dime on voice actors or sound effect libraries. But there's more. Remember that dreamy, relaxing background song? We don't have to pay for another tool. We can generate it right here. I click the music button, which is basically an AI song generator or song maker. I described what I wanted in the prompt box: a 4-minute relaxing, dreamy ambient track. Studio 3.0 gave me 3 brilliant options. I love them all, but I'll choose the first one. Now, I bought a separate tool just for generating subtitles for my videos. Guess what? Studio 3.0 has a Captions button. If only I had known, I could have saved my money. Well, I just select the style I want, and it automatically applies them. I don't have to manually check for errors because it uses the exact script text, making it the most practical way to subtitle your videos with a single click. And check this out. Up here, there's a share button. If you're serious about content creation and working with a team, you're going to love this. You can share a link to your project, and your friends or teammates can leave time-stamped comments right inside the editor. And just like that, our video is done. All that's left is to export. The video resolution is untouched, and the quality of the audio is next level. As a longtime user of ElevenLabs, I can tell you with total transparency that Studio 3.0 is an absolute game changer for creating hours of content with just a few clicks. It even handles dubbing AI if you want to translate your content for other markets. By the way, the voice you're hearing right now, this entire narration, it's an ElevenLabs voice. A few of you have asked. It's called Educational Elias, and you can try it yourself using my link in the description. New users get 10,000 credits to generate text-to-speech for free, so go try it out. Okay, since you stuck around, here's that final secret. For the thumbnail, I chose a colorful image from our video and used the Auto Enhance feature. Then, here's the trick. I placed the thumbnail from the channel we're cloning on top of my image and reduced its opacity. This gave me a perfect template. I added my title using the Cooper BT font, which looks almost identical, adjusted the text size to match, and then just deleted the template image. Now I have my own unique thumbnail that uses the same proven high click-through format. Alright, before you go and start building your own channel, we need to have a serious talk about the right way to do this. If you decide to run with this idea, I strongly recommend you add your own creative touch. In this tutorial, we clone the channel's style for one reason: to learn what's working. To be fair, we're not trying to hurt their performance or their organic growth. We just want to understand their successful formula so we can apply it to our own unique content. And let's be crystal clear, this is not about ripping off their channel, and it is absolutely not about downloading their videos and re-uploading them as your own. YouTube requires real effort and a passion for what you do. So create your own content with creativity, using the strategies we broke down today. And on that note, I have to be real with you. My channel doesn't provide financial advice, and nobody can guarantee your results. The only thing you can ever guarantee is that you'll show up and work hard to build your own channel. Just look at the creator we model today. Imagine, this person uploads an almost 2-hour-long video nearly every single day. But they do it thoughtfully. Their content genuinely provides value in one of two ways. It either helps you relax and drift off to sleep, or you get to chill out while learning fascinating things about science and the universe. And if you look through their videos, you'll see some have thousands of views, while others only have a few hundred. This proves the creator didn't get discouraged when they didn't see the results they hoped for. They just kept publishing. They even have a link where fans can voluntarily donate money to support the channel. If you land on their homepage, you'll see a professional channel trailer. Without a doubt, this is a creator who deserves our respect because, just like us, they saw an opportunity and seized it, proving that with the help of AI, it's absolutely possible to make money online. When you start creating your own videos, you're going to realize that it takes time at first. That's why I was so happy when ElevenLabs launched Studio 3.0, because it makes the content creation process so much easier and saves you money by avoiding other subscriptions. So now it's your turn to try it for yourself. I wish you an awesome day, and I hope you enjoy creating content with powerful tools like ElevenLabs. Peace out.